Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel, and this is your 5th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. We can call it July last week, we can also call it August first week. Okay, your cards are already out, so this reading is for you if you're a sun moon rising Pisces. So let's begin with your home life, that is your personal life. You've got the 9 of moons and the 4 of suns. I do see that there is a sort of celebratory vibes around you, like you're celebrating something or feeling like celebration. Maybe in your personal life, you're very happy. Maybe you think that you've achieved your goals career-wise, which is making you feel very proud of yourself in some way. I also see that the family life is good. It's peaceful. So if you have been facing some troubles over the past few weeks or months, Pisces, this is the time where all those problems feel like they have vanished, like there is a happy union which is happening. You could be very social this week as well, like you're meeting your old friends, family, relatives, right? Being more social with people are very happy with you, people are celebrating you. Your vibes also look quite good. I also see that you're getting some sort of attention or fame your way now. It could be because you did something nice to someone and they just want to reciprocate it. It could be that you've achieved your goals, so you're celebrating that. Maybe you're taking your parents out for a dinner because you just got a promotion. Maybe your money, you got a bonus, or maybe your clientele has increased in your business. No matter what kind of success it is for you, I do see that your family life looks happy. People are celebrating, and it's like a happy union which is happening. As you can see, that everybody in this room is quite happy and being there for each other, right? Okay. Yeah. So they're like being there for each other, which is a very good card of a happy union, of also celebration. It looks like they are celebrating you. Okay, Pisces, like you have done something that they are very proud of you. It can be your own spouse very proud of you, or it can also be that you are entering a new phase of your life. If you are single, if you're in a relationship, I do see that you could be meeting their friends or family, introducing someone and making uh, finalizing a relationship, right? If you're especially if you're in a situationship, single or in a relationship, this is for you, that you're finalizing something where you're taking a next step in your personal life, where you've started meeting each other, or you've fixed it through a small function or engagement or roka kind of ceremony as well, where people are very happy around you, you're getting a lot of attention, right? So what happens when you're getting married? We are the center of attention, right? Everybody comes to us like a bride and groom, and everybody gives us that kind of attention, and we are like famous, we are like celebrities at that point of time. So you are getting that, like I said, that kind of status this week, so which is very good. So you're celebrating something, so be happy, be grateful as well, and do comments to claim these positive energies. Let's see what's happening in your career now. You've got the Pope card and the Judgment card. Pope card is another positive card, which means you're expecting some sort of forward movement in your career, like maybe opening a new office, investing in a new vehicle, business, right? Buying a new house as well. So you are taking some sort of forward step in your life as well. I do see that this week can be filled with a lot of good news coming your way. It can be more money, it can be promotion, like, and obviously this story sort of, sorry about that, this story sort of resonated really well. Okay, it matched really well because definitely you are getting something this week which you are celebrating, right? I also see that if you're not very satisfied with what kind of package, position, or clientele or money that you've got, you have to look at the kind of effort that you've made. Which means that if you have made only 10% effort, you will only get a 10% result. If you have made 100% effort, you can expect a 100% result. So with the Judgment card here, the judgment time has come. Also, the judgment that you will be making, also the judgment which is being made by the universe on your behalf. So when we get something in our life, it's actually based on our effort, right? It's actually based on our career. It's like a target based job. What we are doing, right? I'm not saying that. I'm just giving you an example. By the way, it's not like you are in sales. Not everybody is. So, but it's very much like that. So if we give our 100%, we'll get that much. If we only meet our target like 50%, then we'll only get 50% incentive, right? So that is what you are doing. So this week, please make sure that you're giving your 100% so that you can extract the 100% out as a reward for yourself. Also, I do see you making very important decisions this week. It can be in a change of lifestyle, it can be a change of routine, it can be a change of city, job, business, idea, procedures, way of doing things, whatever it is for you which is impacting your work. I do see that this is a time where you have to weigh the pros and cons also. So if you're applying for a job, if you're looking for a promotion, if you're looking for a change of setup, you have to read the documents properly. You have to weigh the pros and cons. Okay, this is the traveling time. Okay, this is the expenditure. Should I take something in that city? Should I take something there? You have to be very careful with that as well. So please make sure that you're making a careful decision. You're not being impulsive with your decisions in life. And rest, I do see that this is going to be a very good week for you, Pisces. So finally, enjoy it. Give your 100% to whatever you're doing, also in your relationship, so that you can reap the rewards later on. Okay. So take care of yourself. And if you would like to book any personal reading, if you have specific questions on your mind, please check out the description box for the readings. And if you want to make any bookings, you can email me or DM me on my Instagram ID, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please follow me on Instagram, okay? And in my story, I keep on posting the prices on a daily basis, so you will not have to separately DM me or email me for the prices. So please follow me on Instagram. If you resonated with this reading, like this reading, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Show me some love. Thank you so much for watching this. We will see each other very soon. Take care and bye bye.